Good afternoon, everybody. It's my pleasure to introduce our new arrival raindrop humidifier. First, let's unbox the machine. Open the box. Adapter, screwdriver, remote control, and instruction manual. It's an English version. Then we add waters. Pay attention to the max line. You can see there is a max line, so water must be below the max line. It's safe. Okay, let's connect to the adapter. Yes, we have several adapters, for example, UK, Europe, USA, PSE, and KC adapter. You can choose. Let's connect the tower. Okay. Then let's put the button. Here is mist button. Second is the light, the color of the light. We have three lights you can choose. First is blue. Second is pink. Third is flame. The last button, you can adjust the time. You can see on 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour. So here means 2 hours. Here is 4 hour, 8 hour. No timer. You can choose the color, the light color you like. I like blue, for example. This is our new arrival ultra humidifiers. You can add essential oil you like. There is a fragrance essential oil. Open the essential oil. You can see fragrance. Yes, it smells very good. Okay.